Ma'am, you first class, right?
Yes, Mother, say.
Ma'am, I was asking you meant the example we did in class, right?
What you're asking, my line is not clear. Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, I meant that you asked if we did
Yes,
some
yes, yes, yes,
try
yes, yes.
the example we did in class, right? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay. Those who have completed is fine, good. So for others, I have to proceed with. Okay. So you please make a note over here. If it is not clear and repeatedly saying this, so please do interrupt and clear your doubts. Okay. So what is the target? We have to design a Turing machine to copy a string. Okay. So here the string will be terminated by hash. Okay. Let me take an example string. Let it be 010 hash. So this is the string. We are using hash as the terminator. Okay. So just we can see the logic and then we can move on. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to place this inside the tape, infinite length tape. The rest of the places will be blank, right? So what I have to do, this is the initial configuration. If I see a 0, my Turing machine should be aware that it has seen a 0 and then it is going to make a copy of 0 at this spot. Okay, so you have to design a Turing machine in such a way that it should keep it in memory whether it has tracked 0 or 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so on seeing a 0, I'm going to, as I have to designate between the seen slot and unseen slot. Okay, so I'm going to mark it as, so here 0 is going to be designated by X and 1 is going to be designated by Y. Okay, so here I'm going to change this as X and then I'm going to move my taper towards the right till I reach a blank symbol. On reaching a blank symbol, what I will do is, okay, on reaching a blank symbol, what I will do is I will be changing that blank. So please make a note. I have reached blank. After visiting which cell I am reaching this blank symbol. After visiting 0, I am reaching here. Okay. So on that, I am going to replace this blank as 0. I am going to update the cell as 0. And then I'm going to move my taper towards the left. Till which point I have to move my taper towards the left? Till I reach X or Y. Okay, I have to move perform the traversal till I reach X or Y. So here we need a copy. Copy in the sense my tape should have two copies of 010 and 010. Two copies should be present. Okay, original as well as a copy should be present. Okay, I will be performing this. I will be moving my taper towards the left till I reach X. On reaching X, what should I do? I'll be replacing this X by 0. Okay, this will be changed to 0 and then move my taper towards the right side. So now I am visiting 1. On visiting 1, I will be replacing this as Y and then I will move my taper till I reach a blank symbol. On reaching a blank symbol, this cell will be updated as 1 because I am visiting 1 and I am coming here, right? So change this as 1 and then I will be moving my taper towards the left side until which point I have to perform the traversal till I reach X or Y. Okay, here in this case I am reaching Y, so what I should do, I have to change this as 1. So because in order to differentiate 0 and 1 only, I'm using X and Y. Okay, so 1 and then I have to move my taper towards the right. So like this I will be performing the task until I reach the hash. On reaching hash, so hash in the sense, here you can see after performing all the updations, I will be moving my taper towards the right, isn't it? So on moving my taper towards the right, So I'll be making a copy here also, and then I'll be traversing here. This x will be changed to 0 and my move may take it towards the right. On moving so, I'll be encountering a hash. Okay, what is the meaning? So all the string is over. We have copied the string. Okay, so we can stop. We can terminate. We can stop the Turing machine. Okay, so for this, so this is the logic we are going to design the Turing machine now. So what is the state? So I'm going to have the start state, that is Q naught. Yes. Okay. So here in this case you can see I am seeing a 0. So what should I do? What should I do, ma? This 0 should be
Replace it with X and move
X.
to
Yes. A 0 should be changed to X. So please make note, either you can go for any of the conventions. Okay, so here I'm using like this. So okay, 0 is going to be replaced by X, and then I'm going to move my tape head towards the right side. Okay, and then I am after changing this to X, I am moving on to another state, Q1. Then what I should do, I have to traverse throughout till I reach the blank symbol. So whatever may be the case, which my tape head may see a 1 or 0 or hash, I have to just move my tape head towards the right. Okay, I'll be in the same state, Q1. 1, 1, right. 0, 0, right. And similarly hash, hash, right. Okay, so and then I'll be, so here I am, this is my current state. My Turing, my tape head will be in this position. So what should I do? If I encounter a blank, what should I do?
I should replace it with 0.
0. So please make a note over here. I am in state Q1. In Q1, I am seeing a blank, so it should be replaced with this blank should be replaced with the 0, and then I have to move my tape here towards the left side.
Left side.
So now I am in state Q2. Okay, I am in state Q2.
Ma'am,
Smart.
can you explain the self loop once again?
So here after changing this 0 to X, I'll be moving my tape here to this position. Okay, I am in state Q1. In Q1, I am coming across 1. What should I do? What should I do? Should I make any additions? Just I have to traverse my tape here towards the right side, isn't it? I have to perform the traversal till I reach the blank symbol. So here you can see, here I am coming across 1. I should not do anything, just move the tape here towards the right side. So now I am in this position. In Q1, I am coming across 0. So what should I do? Just move the tape here towards the right side. So that is what we are doing here. So here Ash, what should I do? Just move the tape here towards the right side. Okay. So
Okay,
here, yes, I am in Q1. In Q1, I am coming across blank. So what should I do? This blank should be changed to 0, and then I have to move my tape here towards the left side. Okay. So now I am in state Q2. Okay, is that clear?
yes.
Okay, so here I am in state Q2. In Q2, okay, after changing this, so I am in this state now. So now what should I do? I have to perform the traversal till I reach X, isn't it? So what should I do? So if I come across a hash, I should not do anything, just move my tape here towards the left side. I can be in the same state. that is Q2, isn't it? So I'll be in the same state. So here again, if I come across a 0, do nothing, just move the tape head towards the left. 1, do nothing, just move the tape head towards the left. So like this, I'll be reaching this point. So here my tape head, I am in state Q2. In Q2, I'm coming across X. So now what should I do?
Move the tape head towards right.
Yes, so here this X should be
Made 0 again.
X should be changed to 0, and then I have to move my tape head towards the right side. So now what will be the next sequence of operations? So please do see here. Now my tape head is in this position. After this, what will be the sequence? This 1 should be changed to Y, and then I have to move my tape head towards the right side until I reach blank. Whatever may be the number of ones here, or whatever. For example, if I come across a 0 here, what should I do? This same sequence of operations need to be performed, isn't it? So where should be my transition? From Q to where should be my transition? Let us consider here I am having 0. Okay, I am having a 0. So what will be the sequence? Again the same sequence I have to perform, isn't it? This 0 should be changed to X, and then I have to perform till I visit a blank, then blank should be changed to 0, and then I have to yes, Q
Not.
Q naught. Yes. So after okay, so as you say, I'm going to move on to Q naught. Okay, do you all agree with this? So here I will be changing on to Q naught. Okay, so here in this case, instead of 0, I am having 1. Okay, I am in state. So please make a note over here. I have to design a Turing machine for a generic thing, not for a specific example. For generic, I have to design my Turing machine. Okay, so here in this case we are coming across 1. So in Q naught I am coming across 1. That should be my transition. In Q naught I am coming across 1. Actually, what is the sequence? 1 should be changed to Y, and then I have to perform the traversal till I reach blank. This blank should be changed to 1, and then I have to move on. When my Turing machine will be aware that I should update this cell as 1, my Turing machine should be able to differentiate between 0 and 1 on reaching this slot, isn't it? So how can I do it? How can I make my Turing machine to understand that? What should I do on visiting 1?
From Q naught, we have another transition 1/y,
Yes. So please make a note over here. So my Turing machine should be aware that is on reaching a 0, it should be reaching a blank symbol, it should be aware whether it has reached that slot on seeing a 0 or 1. Okay, in order to do so, I have to differentiate the states. Okay, so here on visiting a 1, I will be changing it to Y, and then I'll be moving my tape here towards the right side, and then I'll be moving on to another state, that is Q3. Again, what I have to do here, whatever may be the sequence. So here if I have to come across a 0, so here you can see this is changed to Y, and I'm moving my tape here towards the right side. I am in state Q3. What should I do? I have to perform the traversal till I reach the blank symbol. So if I have a 0, then do nothing, just move the tape here towards the right. If I have a 1, just do nothing, move the tape here towards the right. And hash, do nothing, just move the tape here towards the right. Like that, I will be reaching this particular point. Okay, I am in state Q3. In Q3, I am coming across a blank. Okay, in Q1, if I come across a blank, then it will be changed to 0. In Q3, I am coming across a blank. So what should I do?
It should be changed to 1.
One blank should be changed to 1, and then I have to move my tape here towards the left side. Isn't it? So here this will be changed to 1, and then I'll be moving my tape here towards the left side. Okay, so here on moving. So from Q3 I'll be moving on to Q2, right? After that, what should I do? Whatever may be the case, 0, 1 or hash, I have to just move my tape towards left till I reach X or 1. Here in this case, in Q2 I will be coming across Y. So if I come across a Y, what should I do? Y should be changed to 1, and then I have to move my tape towards the right side. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so here 0 1 0 hash 0 1 0. I have made all the copies. Okay, and yes, let us consider here I am in Q. What this will be changed to X, isn't it? X. I am in state Q2. In Q2 I am coming across X. What will I do? I will be changing this to 0, and then I will be moving my tape towards the right side. Okay, I am in this state. In Q0 I am coming across hash. What does it mean? In Q0 I am coming
We
up.
copied the string, so from Q0 we'll have a transition slash comma slash hash slash hash, and we go to final state.
Yes, good. Yes. So here you need not perform any operation. Hash, hash. You can move your tape towards the left or right, and then you have to terminate your Turing machine. Okay. Any doubts here? Others? Other than two
No, ma'am.
voices, others? Yes. Okay. Okay. The next is. So here you can differentiate, I hope. So till this point we are checking only the pattern, isn't it? Only if it is matching a pattern, I'll be reaching the final state. This is the acceptor. Whereas here I am performing an action. This is transducer. Okay. So here the next example is reverse a string. Reverse a string. Please make a note over here. Here this is just a reversal. Reversal in the sense, if I am going for ABB, then after the process is over, my tape should have only BBA, not ABB. This is string reversal. Okay, my tape will have, so this is the input, and at the end my tape will be having this as the output. Is that clear? So just let me give you the logic, and I'll give you 5 minutes time. So you please do try, and then we can see the solution. Okay. Here in the previous case we have designated, yes, as you all aware, we are taking the two parts because only then I can differentiate between 0 and 1. Okay, in Q0 if I visit a blank, then that needs to be designated as 0, and Q3 if I see a blank, that needs to be updated as 1. Okay, so what is the reason for changing 0 as what X and 1 as Y? Why don't we update it as the same tape alphabet? Use the same tape alphabet. What is the reason we are differentiating 0 and 1 here? These two paths is different. I am asking why we are designating 0 as 1 and 1 as Y. Sorry, 0 as X and 1 as Y. What is the reason?
Because when we come back, we need to replace them back to
Yes,
0 and
yes,
1.
yes. So here it is not just a case that we have been whether it is a visited slot or not. Actually, we are updating. So again, we are replacing it to the original value. Okay. So here that's why we are using designating 0 as X and Y 1 as Y. Okay. So here you can see reverse a string the same similar to this one only. Right. So what we are going to do? So here, yes, what should be my output? So what should be my output here? So here A B B, then I have so reverse in the sense this should come first and this should be the second and this should be the last character in the output. Okay, so what should I do? First this should be copied and this should be copied and this should be copied. Okay, this should be the sequence. So what I'm going to do is, this is my initial configuration. I will be moving my tape here towards the right side. So until which point I have to perform the traversal till I reach the blank symbol. On reaching the blank symbol, I will be moving my tape here towards the left side. So because I have to catch this alphabet, okay, catch this lot. So I am moving my tape towards the right side. So what I will do is, here I'll be changing. So I have to, this is a visited slot. I have to make a copy over here. So I have to I have to mark it. Okay, so what I will do is, I'll be changing this to X and then I'll be moving my tape towards the right, and then in this blank I'll be updated as B. Okay, so here again my Turing machine should be aware whether it has visited A or B on reaching this blank slot. Okay, and then what should I do? After changing this to B, I'll be moving my tape here towards the right side. Okay, I'll be moving my tape here towards the right side. So until which point I'll be moving my tape here towards the right side? What is the next cell to be copied here? X, B,
until you reach it.
A. Reach X. Why X? Am I going to make any copy of X over here?
No, ma'am. B.
Yes, I have to perform the traversal till I reach B. Okay, so here, yes, so here what I am going to do is, I am going to perform the traversal, right? On reaching, so here I am going to do, so on seeing a blank, so please wait here, I am just getting confused. Oh, yes, so here you can see, on seeing a X, okay, yes, so I have to catch this one, right? So on seeing a X, I have to make some decision, right? After that, okay, so please see here, it will be clear for you when we see the entire sequence. So here I am moving traversing. On seeing a X, I am going to move my tape here towards the S. Whatever may be the case, A or B or X, I have to perform the traversal. But on seeing a X, I have to be changing my state. Okay, so on seeing a X, I'll be moving my tape here towards the left side. If I encounter a B, okay, so if I encounter a B, then what should I do? So this B should be changed to X, and then I'll be moving my tape here towards the right side till I reach the blank symbol. On reaching the blank symbol, this needs to be updated as B, and then I have to move my tape here towards the left. On seeing a X, on seeing a X, I have to move on to a different state. So because this part is over, okay, so here this X represents the already copied cell. So I have to be careful here. So here what should I do? On seeing a X, I have to move on to different state, and then I'll be moving my tape head towards the left. Again there is a X, I need not do anything, just move the tape head towards the left. So here I am coming across A. So what should I do? I have to change this to X, and then I have to move my tape head towards the right side. So here I am coming across blank, so update it to A, and then move my tape here towards the left side. So here I encounter a X, so I have to check once again how many X are there. Okay, so here again X, so move left, again X, move left. So here I am coming across a blank. Okay, here I am coming across a blank. So what is the meaning? So we have performed all the operations, but this slot, So this slot is filled with some tape symbols. Actually, this slot should be made useful. So that is, it should be blanked out. We have to blank this slot. So what I am going to, so because here it is already occupied, right? So it is reusable only if I made it as blank. So what should I do before making my Turing machine to halt? I'll be updating this. So what will I do? Yes. So I'll be moving my tape head. On seeing a blank, I'll be moving my tape head towards the right side, and then I'll be encountering a X, isn't it? So what I will do is this X will be changed to blank. Move the tape head towards right. This will be changed to blank. Move the tape head towards the right. This will be changed to blank. Move the tape head towards the right. So now I am coming across an input symbol. So whether it is A or B, I am coming across an input symbol. So after is there any task to be done by the Turing machine now? What the Turing machine is, we can terminate the Turing machine. So here you can see this tape will be having only the string BBA. Please do try for so your class sister.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so in this, like when we were going backwards and going towards the left and encountering an X, why can't we replace X with blank then and then only?
Here, what will happen? So here, for example, as you say, A, B, B. Let us consider this is changed to X, and then B. This is my status, isn't it? So this is my status. So as you say, on visiting this X, if I change this blank and then if I move my tape here towards the slot, what will happen? This I will change this to X, and then immediately I will be seeing a blank symbol,
okay.
and this, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So please do try for 5 minutes. 3:25 we can start with. Okay. 3:25 we can start with. Just have an idea. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So because it will take some time. Okay, we can start with this is the initial configuration of our Turing machine. So here this is my start state Q0. Okay, so this is my start state, that is Q0. So now what should I do? What is my target? I have to
I
traverse
have
till.
to go to the blank.
Yes, so my target is to go reach the blank. So till that point I'll be in the same state Q0. Okay, so A, right, B, right. Okay, so I'll be in the same state Q0. Now this is my position Q0. Okay, uh, okay. So in Q0 I'm coming across blank. So what should I do?
I should do BBL. Don't replace with anything.
Yes, just move
And
my
move
tape here
towards the
towards
left.
the towards the right side. I'll be in this position. Let me move on to another state. That is Q1. Okay, so in Q1, please wait. Okay. Yes. So what should I do? So this B, I should change it to X, and then I have to move my tape here towards the. So what should I do here? This B, I have to change this to X, and I have to move my tape here towards the right side. Yes. So okay. B, change it to X, and then move the tape here towards the right side. Yes, this is changed to X, move the tape here towards the right side. So here I'm coming across a blank. So what should I do? So here I am in state Q2. In Q2 I'm coming across blank. What
So
should
I
I do
replace
here?
that blank with B and move
B.
my tape
Yes.
towards the left.
Yes. Yes. And so here this blank should be changed to B, and then I have to move my tape here towards the left side. Okay, move my tape here towards the left side. So I am in state Q3. Okay, so here again we should be make our Turing machine to differentiate between A and B on reaching the blank symbol. Okay, so if it is reaching blank symbol on visiting B, then it should replace the cell by B. If it is reaching the slot on visiting A, then it should be updated as A. Okay, accordingly we have to differentiate it by means of using different states. Okay, so this is B. Now so this is changed to B. Now I am in state Q3. Now what should I do? So I have to change my tape head towards the left side. Isn't it? I have to move my tape head towards the left side. So that is what we have done here. Yes. Yes, actually this is going to be the status. After making the changes, I have to move my tape head towards the left side. So on reaching X, what should I do? On reaching X, what should I do?
I towards the left. Keep
Yes.
it X.
And then I have to move my tape here towards the left side. isn't it? I have to move my taper towards the left side. So here on moving my taper towards the left side, I am seeing a blank. What will be the sequence again? If I am seeing a blank, I'll be changing this to X, and then I have to move my taper towards the left till I reach the blank symbol. That blank needs to be changed to B, and then I have to move my taper towards the right till I reach X, isn't it? So where is that sequence?
Q naught.
Q naught. Okay, so in Q3 I'm coming across X. So I'm not going to update the cell, instead just move the taper towards the left side. Yes, and we are moving the taper towards the left side. So here we are in Q0 or Q1. Please do check it.
I had this like if we have a B in between C and D, how do we know that C or it's the like if in the second now when I'll copy this B, second B, when I'm moving towards the left, I'll have another B in the way because of the first copied B. So how will I?
Yes,
So I need
yes,
to
yes.
go till the
That
blank.
traversal we have to give it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here, please make a note over here. I am making the changes. I need not move on to Q2. Instead, I'll be moving on to Q1. Okay, because only in Q1 I am making this sequence, and this sequence, that is changing this B to X and then traversing till blank. All these are done only in this states. Okay, I will be making the traversal to Q1. Okay, so here you can see, so here on being I'm in state Q1, in Q1 I'm coming across B. What should I do? This B should be changed to X, and then I have to proceed with the traversal to Q2. Okay, so actually I am in this position, so I am here, I am in state Q2. Here what should I do? So here I have to proceed with the traversal till I reach this blank symbol. Okay, so till I reach the blank symbol. So whatever may be the case, whether it is X, A or B, I should be in the same state Q2. So if I see a X, just do nothing, just move the taper towards the right. If I see a just do nothing, move the taper towards the right. If I see a B, do nothing, just move the taper towards the right side. I'll be in the same state Q2. Q2 I'm coming across a B, so here you can see we will be reaching this spot. So I'm coming across a B, so this B should be updated to, that is this blank should be updated to B, and then I have to move my taper towards the left side. Okay, I am in state Q3. I'm moving my taper towards the yes, after making the updation, I am moving my taper towards the left side. So I am in state Q3. In Q3, I am coming across a blank symbol. So what should I do?
I should replace it with B again.
Hello.
Right now, you weren't audible.
Now it's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I am in state Q3. In Q3, coming across B. So what should I do? Whether it is A or B, I have to proceed with the traversal. That is, I have to move my taper towards the left till I reach X. Okay, so till I reach X. So in the same state I should be in. So whether it is A, just move the taper towards the right. B, just move the taper towards the right. I'll be in the same state Q3. So here you can see I'm just moving my taper towards the right. So I'm moving out here. So I am in state Q3. In Q3 I'm coming across X. So what will I do? In Q3 I'm coming across the X. So on seeing a X, just I'm not going to make any changes. Just move my taper towards the right side. Now I am in state Q1. In Q1 I'm coming across X. What should I do? In Q1 I am coming across X. What should I do? Until which position I
move
have to make the traps?
towards the left.
Yes, I have to be in the same state till I reach A or B. Okay,
A or
so just move the tape head towards the left side. So here you can see I am in state Q1 and coming across A. So on seeing a A, what should I do? A should be changed to
replace it X and move towards the right.
right. Yes,
And move to new
I
state.
am in state Q4. So here, yes. So here, whatever may be the case, whether it is A or B or C, just move the tape here towards the right. That's it. Okay. On seeing a blank, I have to update this as A, and then I have to move my tape here towards the left side. Okay, I have to move my tape here towards the left side. So like this, what we will be doing, we will be updating the tape like this. So at one point of time, the tape will be looking like this. Okay. Yes. Yes, as you say, see. Yes. So let us consider this. I have updated here and I have moved my tape head. So here I am in state Q3, BB left, BB left, and then I'm coming across X. So in Q3 I'm coming across X. So what should I do? I have to just move my tape head towards the left. I am in Q1. I'm coming across X. Just move my tape head towards the left. Again X. Just move my tape head towards the left. Okay. So here I am coming across a blank. So on coming across a blank, what should I do? In Q1, I am coming across blank. What should I do?
I have to move to new state and replace and move the tape towards right.
Yes. Just I have to move my tape here towards the right side. So in Q1, I am coming across blank. Just move my tape here towards the right. So I'll let me in Q5. So here what should I do? So whatever may be the number of X, I'm just going to replace it by blank, and then I'm going to move my tape here towards the left, right. So like this I'll be reaching this point. So here all these will be blanked out. Okay, I'm reaching this point. So here on reaching this, whether it is A or B, I can terminate my Turing machine, right? So whether it is A or B, I can terminate my Turing machine. I can move my tape here towards left or right. My target is to terminate my Turing machine. Let it be Q6. Are you clear with this?
Yeah.
Yes, just let me give a small overview of the next what we are going to deal is binary addition, multiplication and subtraction. Okay, just let me give an overview. So almost time, let me give an overview and then you can move on. Please do try it out. Okay, unary numbers, we are going to add two unary numbers. Okay, so here we are going to add 3 plus 2. So here we are going to represent a 3 by sequence of zeros. That's it. Okay, please make a note, we are not going to convert that into binary, just we are going to represent these numbers by some symbol. That's it. So here I'm going to use 0 to represent it. That is 3 is going to be represented by 3 zeros and 2 is going to be represented by 2 zeros. I'm going to replace it inside the tape. Okay, place it inside the tape. Two unary numbers are separated by a hash, or you can even use the addition operator here. So what will be the final output? Final output will be 5. So in the sense that tape should have 5 zeros. Okay, tape should have 5 zeros. So what we are going to do now is, so this is my initial configuration. I have to move my tape here till I reach the hash. On reaching a hash, I'll be converting this to 0, update this to 0, and then I'll be moving my tape here till I reach the blank symbol. So actually now we are having 6 zeros. Instead I should have only 5 zeros, right? So I'll be moving my tape here till I reach the blank. On reaching the blank, I will move my tape towards the left and the last 0. So at this point, on moving my tape towards the left, I will be catching my last 0. Okay, that last 0 will be updated as blank. So finally we'll be having 5 zeros in my tail. Okay. So this is the logic for adding two unary numbers. So please do try. So this is a very simple thing. Okay. Please do try designing the Turing machine for that. We can continue this in the next class. Okay. Are you clear with this? Jaydeep. Others,
Okay,
please
like
respond.
gives us two examples because it's a bit confusing.
Now I need to go through it once again.
Ah,
Like
So,
it's a bit confusing. So like, can you give similar examples just for practice that you can do?
what type of questions you want?
Like these only the ones which we did in class today.
You want some questions, sir.
Yes, ma'am, because it's a bit confusing. Like it doesn't strike at the very first moment. You need to think a lot.
Okay. Okay. You
It's
please
not a
do. Yes. Instead of doing this one, you do try practicing the that itself. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Okay, ma. If you have, let me download that. Yes, I have downloaded the attendance. If you have any queries, you can please ask or else you can leave. Thank you. So, yes, as discussed by your friends, so please do make sure to practice it. Okay. So, just listening in the class will not be enough. The same questions what we have discussed in the class, you please do practice it at home. Okay. Thank you.
okay.
Thank you.